We are about to lower this car off of the jack. I'm so excited to see what it's gonna look like. Here we go. Oh. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, what? Dude, that's awesome. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name's Justin, and today we're gonna be installing my lowering springs. Now, I'm so stoked for this install. I'm at my friend Dara's house. That's Dara right there. Anyway, so we're gonna get this thing jacked up and we're gonna start the install. So let me just give you a little preview right here. This wheel gap, it's not terrible, but I can fit maybe 2 pairs of shoes in there. I mean, as far as the stock ride goes, it's nothing to complain about. The steering as it is pretty tight. It's gonna go where you want it to go, and I really just like how it feels when I'm driving. I feel very connected, and it's got that older kind of Japanese car feel to it. So we're gonna put these springs on and we're gonna see just how nice the ride feels, because I already know it's gonna look amazing. All right, so it is currently, well, what time is it now?
It doesn't matter, it's still early.
It's early. That's the point.
So we're gonna jack it up now.
Dara, do you want to give a brief introduction of yourself? This is Dara. Here's a couple photos of what he drives. Me and Dara have been making stupid videos for as long as I can remember.
Pepsi, I paid 50 cents for that. Show them how it's done.
Chug it, don't put it down. All right, sweet. All right, so we are about to start installing the springs. We got all the wheels off and everything. Now, the problem we were running into last time is this one over here. The bolts were just, you know what, really all of them, except for this side, the bolts were just not coming out. We're gonna install this one first, get off to a good start, and try the other ones. Dude, hell yes. Nice. So good. That's it. Go. That's so sad. Well, guys, Justin Vlogs. Or Justin Mods, my bad. Should I start Justin Vlogs too? Justin Vlogs? Yeah. Okay. So we need a couple things that a buddy's gonna bring over to help us with this. And the fronts we're having issues on too, so I don't know where this is gonna go, if anywhere.
Honda Fit 3 a.m. 3 a.m. challenge. 3 a.m. Honda Fit challenge. Don't grab Honda Fit at 3 a.m.
Dude, I drove a Honda Fit at 3 a.m. All right, that's 2 down, 2 more to go. Jinx, you only kiss. All right, so check this out. We have the other spring in as well as the one on this side. And I'm super stoked about it. These ones were pretty easy. We just had to get over a couple speed bumps. But we're about to do this one. And then we need a vice grip for this one in order to put it in. But if all goes well, we should have everything done soon. And don't worry, we are torquing everything down to specs. So I don't want to see you guys typing in the comments about how teenage of mechanics we are. All right, guys, so we got this sway bar link out, and now we have these 2 bolts down here that we need to take out, and then the whole thing should come out. So there we go. There it is. Dude, I should hold that push here. I can't swear. What do you got for that? Don't moan. Stop moaning. Dude, I swear to God. Stop. Perfect. Sick. Yeah. All right, let's not forget to put this on this time. Yep. Check it out. We got the spring on the, and we're about to put it in.
This one. This one was on this side. Yeah, so that's on the driver's side.
This is driver's side, yeah.
This is driver's side?
Yeah. All right, guys. I'm so glad we finally got all of the springs on. Now, this is Nathan. We thought we needed some tools from him, but all he brought that was useful was his big ass brain. Instead of taking off the bottom bolts on the shock, we took off the top one and it solved all of our problems. Everything's in, torqued down, and I'm so stoked to see how this thing feels and especially how it looks. We are about to lower this car off of the jack. I'm so excited to see what it's gonna look like. Here we go. Oh, dude, what? Dude, that's awesome.
Does he pass the shoe test?
Oh, fuck yeah.
You passed the shoe test?
All right, dude, pass the shoe test, let's see.
I don't know, dude. It's kind of tight.
Do it.
He's got it. He's got it.
Oh,
Bro, no, I got
almost
big feet.
there.
I got big feet.
He's got big feet.
I got fat feet. So
He's got big feet.
Yeah,
All right.
All right, next is a credit card.
Anyways, to show you guys just how low this actually is, check this thing out. Oh my gosh, dude. Dang, look at that. The gap that was in the wheel wells is no longer there. This looks exactly how I pictured it. I'm so, oh jeez.
Still got to set in too.
All right, well, we're gonna go take it for a drive and I'll be back to show you guys exactly how I feel about it. I'm gonna go take this thing for a drive and enjoy myself. And I guess you guys should enjoy yourself too. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you wanna see more like these, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment down below if you think this car looks absolutely sweet now. And I guess as always, peace out.
Lucid dreams, so I can't be out here living stupid. I love hard, so you could say I was shot by Cupid. Say less, but every now and then I drop my 2 cents. Tunnel vision, cause niggas could really be a nuisance. ISO, yeah, you know we be the fucking movement. Don't ask what we doing, just know we always keep it moving.